Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the light bulb in your freezer, be sure to unplug the power cord. Push the light cover in at the sides to release the tabs, then push back to remove. You can now unthread the old bulb. Install the new light bulb by threading it into the socket. Be careful not to damage the bulb by over-tightening. Realign the cover and slide it into place. Plug the power cord back in, and your freezer should be ready for use.